Okay, so I want to talk about affiliate marketing using either physical or digital product. If you've not watched my last video, kindly go and do that. A quick one. The thing is, when it comes to affiliate marketing, it does not really matter which platform you decide to go with or what form of format you decide to go with. Majorly, what you should be concerned about is how you want to get people to see your offer. If you feel like you want to use a WhatsApp, you could go with WhatsApp. If you feel convenient on a Twitter, you can go with Twitter. If you feel convenient on Facebook, Instagram, or even YouTube, anyone you're convenient with. It doesn't have to be one elaborate thing. And one thing you should try and understand, you don't try to promote so many products at the same time. You just need to pick one product to get started and know how much you want to know about it. There's physical affiliate like from Konga and Jumia, and there's digital affiliate out there, numerous platforms you can choose from.